All right, so we have some breaking inputs coming in. There's going to be a press conference at 3 p.m. by the Election Commission of India to announce poll dates, assembly poll dates today.
So the Election Commission may soon end the suspense over conducting elections in Jammu and Kashmir. Our colleague Rishabh is joining us on the broadcast with the details. Rishabh, this afternoon by 3 p.m. the ECI is expected to hold a press conference on the dates of the Jammu and Kashmir Assembly elections.
Well, definitely. There hasn't been an election in Jammu and Kashmir for quite some time. Remember, in the last elections back in 2018, that was the last assembly election that happened when PDP and BJP came together to form government. After BJP pulled out from that government, the assembly was dissolved. Since then, there have been a lot of changes, administrative changes in Jammu and Kashmir. The full statehood was taken over by Union Territory of Jammu and Kashmir. Ladakh was bifurcated. Since then, there have been a lot of talks. The Supreme Court last year ordered that the election should happen before 30th of September. Last month and this month as well, Election Commission of India, along with all its representatives, toured various parts of Jammu and Kashmir and held a press conference saying that they will conduct elections in Jammu and Kashmir soon. Now the press release coming in from Election Commission of India that at 3 p.m. there is a press conference to announce legislative assembly. Though the press release do not mention Jammu and Kashmir per se, but having said that, the way there have been back-to-back tours of Election Commission of India, visits of Election Commission of India to various parts of Jammu and Kashmir, and the last press conference in Jammu where the Election Commissioner of India did mention that he will, and Election Commission will announce the elections soon. All eyes on the press conference today. The suspense over Jammu and Kashmir elections can be over by evening.
Absolutely, absolutely. Not just people of Jammu Kashmir, but especially the opposition will be watching this very, very closely. Assembly poll dates for multiple states like Maharashtra, Haryana are going to be announced. Rishabh is saying specifically Jammu and Kashmir has not been mentioned, but after the recent visit to Jammu and Kashmir of the Election Commission team, Jammu Kashmir poll dates could also be announced today.
So, Rishabh, it's expected at 3 p.m. today. The Election Commission expected to hold a meeting and a decision is likely to come in. The dates for the assembly elections are going to be announced.